Dizo wireless dash, battery life, sound quality, inline mic and much more. All of that is coming up. Hey, what's up? My name is Shivam, and before getting to the video, if you want to find the best deals on this earphone, you can head to the first link down below in the description. Here is the shipping box from Flipkart, and inside we have the retail box. Let's open that up. And inside is the earphones, extra ear tips, charging cable and some documents. That's it for the unboxing. Let's get on to the features. First of all, we get the Bluetooth 5.2, so this would have stable connection and less latency. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with dual pairing, which could be a bummer for some. They must have included this feature. Next, we have the standard magnetic earbuds with auto on and off. No play pause, but you can enable the auto answer feature. So whenever you get a call, you can just separate the two earbuds and it will automatically take the call for you. An amazing feature that comes with every Realme product is the support for the Realme Link app. So here you can do a bunch of things like update the firmware, change what these multifunction buttons do, and you can equalize the sound type as well. How cool is that? We will discuss this feature when we will get to the sound quality, but for the IP rating we get IPX4. Not the best, but it will serve the purpose. For gaming we get low latency or gaming mode, which can be enabled from the Realme Link app, or you can assign it to any of these buttons. Anyways, let's see what it looks like. I'm using the iPhone 11 Pro as I don't have any device with the Bluetooth 5.2, and generally iPhone gives very good results. So let's see.
Eliminated. Target in sight. Reloading. Enemy contact! Enemy contact! Tango down!
UAV recon is standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Taking the lead.
Enemy contact! Tango down! Contact with enemy!
Recon standing by. Repeat, UAV online standing by.
Contact with enemy! Enemy
Friendly
contact!
hunter-killer drone deployed.
Contact with enemy!
That was a great experience. Figures might be looking weak, but the game was playable. Getting over to the design and build quality, I want to say that these are very well designed earphones. I haven't seen anything sturdy like this in a while. The modules have carbon fiber texture which looks sick, and when you hold it, it feels like a solid device. The neckband is also soft and comfortable, though you will find the device to be bit heavy compared to other neckband earphones, but it is not that big of a deal. Buttons are also very tactile and they are quite big, so deploying commands through these buttons is a breeze. Talking about one of the crucial part, actually two, which is the comfort and fitting. I will say that these are quite comfortable and there is no sort of pain or discomfort when you use it for longer sessions. And fitting wise, it's average, like as you would expect from any earphone. Because there are no ear hooks, you cannot go too crazy with this. Casual gym and walking would be fine. As the name suggests, there has to be something dash, right? So it is the charging. The device has a feature called blink charging, which means if you charge it for 10 minutes, you could have like 10 hours of playback at 50% of volume, which is pretty common feature these days with all these neckband earphones. To fully charge the 260 mAh battery of these earphones, it takes about 50 minutes, and after that you can enjoy 30 hours of playback at 50% of volume, which is awesome. For calling, we have environment noise cancellation mic, which can help us with calling, so let's hear it out. This is the audio quality test of the inline mic on the Dizo wireless dash. Here comes the most crucial part of any audio device, that is the sound quality. Here we get a 11.2mm driver, which according to me produces phenomenal sound quality. The spectrum is wide open. You will be able to hear all the frequencies from bass to mids and highs, and I can say that these are one of the best earphones in terms of sound at this price range. Doesn't matter what type of genre you listen to, like or ah. Everything sounds amazing, and the best part is you can go to the Realme Link app and change the sound type. If you feel there is no bass, then you can switch to bass boost mode, and if you want to lick the shimmers, switch to bright mode. It sounds fantastic in all the three settings. Personally, I keep it on the balance with the volume enhancer being turned on, and I think it would be suitable for most of the people, most of you watching. But you can fiddle around with the settings. So overall for sound quality, I would give it 9 out of 10. The final question, is Dizo wireless dash worth it? Should you put your hard-earned money on this earphone? I would say hell yes. If you are looking for a neckband earphone which has long battery life, couple of useful features, and most importantly amazing sound quality, then definitely go for it. Links to best deal would be in the description below. And that's been it for today. Make sure you tell us in the comments which earphones you are using. Like, share, subscribe, stay safe, bye.